White House is fully on board with a new protection act that will ban all. The biggest reason Donald Trump was elected has barely been mentioned in any news outlet since November. But it's about to be brought up again. Consider Trump's major campaign pledges: build the wall, repeal and replace, exit the TTP, and lock her up. Conservatives went wild for each one. But evangelical Christians? They were nervous about electing a man with a history of wild living and multiple wives. But they were the deciding votes. And their issue? Abortion. They want it gone. Trump might make their wish come true, or at least sign a new bill that bans abortions after 20 weeks. With a Republican-controlled Congress and White House, there is much potential for necessary change at the legislative level. One such measure is the Pain-Capable Unborn Child Protection Act. This bill is essentially a late-term abortion ban that would criminalize abortions of 20 weeks and beyond. Such a bill would mark a massive victory for the pro-life cause and help cement President Trump's pro-life cred. The bill's vote is near, October 3rd, in fact, and pro-life Republicans are working around the clock to get the necessary votes in place. But the most important vote is already there, Trump's, and he's not bluffing. In fact, he's already committed himself on paper. Although, to be honest, it's more than a simple on-paper commitment, it's a well-formed plan. With bullet points, nominating pro-life justices to the U.S. Supreme Court, signing into law the Pain-Capable Unborn Child Protection Act, which would end painful late-term abortions nationwide, defending Planned Parenthood as long as they continue to perform abortions, and reallocating their funding to community health centers that provide comprehensive health care for women. Making the Hyde Amendment permanent law to protect taxpayers from having to pay for abortions. I've said it before, and I'll say it again, businessmen get things done. Cynics among us might think that passing this kind of law is a long shot. Perhaps. But it's not impossible. Because, for one thing, it's not new. 16 states have Pain-Capable Unborn Child Protection Act laws in place. Fact is, getting a bill passed that's in well over 25% of state law books is much easier than simply introducing it outright. As an example, consider marijuana. No one would think it impossible to legalize pot at the federal level. And there's only a handful of states in which it's legal now. Please share this post on Facebook with your thoughts.